We'd get arrested. Contraband.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
It would.
Well, I'm living on someone else's home. Sit around all day like a 24-karat bump on a golden lawn. Well, I pray that rusty old GMC got a long black Cadillac limousine.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Thought we'd do a real quick adventure up to a place that's not far from our home. If you are here in America and probably abroad, the TV show, the Andy Griffith Show that's on TV, they talk about Mount Pilot. Well, it just happens to be in our backyard. Yeah. So we apologize. We left the house and forgot half of our camera gear and stuff. So, but we just wanted to take the truck out to a new adventure before wintertime. And Pilot Mountain's been closed for a while. They have been doing shuttles up and down, and actually right now the road is closed and they're doing shuttles, but we just talked to one of the park officials and they will be opening the gate at 6. So we're going to try to get on top of the mountain and take some pretty cool video off the top there and kind
See
of
what happened.
Yeah, give you an idea of about how close this mountain is in our backyard actually, from the top view. So just kind of a travel type video, I guess. See how the truck does. Pulling up. I mean, I guess this would be outside of the boom trip where a couple of weeks ago, but it wasn't really that much. It was just straight up the highway. But this is a pretty good incline, real curvy and stuff. So we'll see how the gears change and see how it does. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Hopefully they'll open the gate. We don't know if it'll be 6:30. So
that would be nice.
Yeah, it's 5:30 now. So.
Much later.
It's go time. Let's get to the top of the mountain.
How'd the old truck do?
Pretty good.
Yep, no problems. So as you may have saw when we were coming in, somebody has a cool car here that's painted up like Lee Petty's old car. Let's check that thing out. Is that not neat? That's pretty cool, ain't it?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Burning at the house.
Yep. So we're going to show you here at the overlook down towards just about where we live. And we've got a good marker today because some of our neighbors are actually burning. And we will show you that here in just 1 second. So here's the look, or the view off of the overlook. And towards that way, if I zoom in, you can see Winston-Salem. And when I come across here, you're going to see some smoke in the background. That's actually one of our neighbors burning a big brush pile. So I'm going to zoom in here. I don't know how far this thing will, but anyway, I'll put an arrow to just about where the house is.
You can see Oh, they're beautiful. Well, made them pretty. I mean, they were already blue, though, right?
Oh, yeah. I got part
Nice shirt.
I'll show you, Mom. Mom passed away. That's Mom and Dad.
So there's some pretty large farms throughout North Carolina where we're from, as you can probably see in the video here. And the river is right up in here, and we live just on the other side. It's a little hard to see when all the foliage is out and stuff, but yeah, you can see almost all the way down to Greensboro. So pretty neat. We'd like to shout out our neighbor for starting a big brush fire today so we could tell exactly where we're at. So I guess it's good we don't have a drone right now.
It is. We'd get arrested. Contraband.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
Boy.
It's really a neat place to visit if you're ever in North Carolina, just right off of Highway 52. You cannot miss it. It stands out like a sore thumb. I won't say what it looks like, but there's a good joke with all the locals of Pilot Mountain. So we're gonna run up the trail here, see if we can get to the actual knob part, and we'll show you that here in just a moment. So there's all kind of little placards and stuff out through here, and we won't show you everything, but some of the common birds, the common raven, timber rattlers and stuff, you'll have all kinds of, yeah, lots of wildlife, lots of creepy crawlies around here, and plenty of places for them to be creepy crawly. And I do not want to be honest with you, I don't want to deal with a timber rattler today. Yeah. So there's a lot of different viewing points here, and this is one of them. We're going to show you the actual knob itself. And it is quite the fall. You can see there's a lot of places where people can go and hang out. Unfortunately, there was a death a few weeks ago. A lady fell 90 feet. So, and it's not the first ever reported. I have a lot of friends who actually are in emergency services, and they actually train off the side of this mountain. So it's pretty neat. But not a place you want to fall. So we had to take a break. We just met a really nice couple and their kid from West Virginia, and of course we got talking old vehicles, and that pretty much led into, well, if you're into old vehicles, you know how it is, especially with this guy right here. All right, we're going to try to get to the top here real quick and see what we can do. This is goes up to Little Pinnacle Lookout, and I'm going to just flip this around here. Beautiful views. And of course, as always, my son has his great hiking gear on. It's the joy of living in North Carolina, especially where we live, is random trips just happen. Oh, I got it. Didn't want that kind of trip. Mm-hmm. See if we can get a sunset.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
It's getting close.
Oh, no, you're good. We gotta go find Randy again.
All right. We have made it to the equivalent of North Carolina's Mount Everest. There it is. All right. So this is the back side. We'll do just a swing around here. And the sun is starting to set. And as you can see, that brush fire is still doing its thing down there. I can't see nothing. Yep. Still doing its thing.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. We talked to a bunch of really nice people and to this really cool fella who knew a lot about cars. And if y'all are in the area, it's a good place to come and hike. Y'all would really enjoy it.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Didn't see any aircraft other than a Cessna just fly over. Usually you can see some military stuff and occasionally some really cool sights from time to time up here.
Yep.
And we're glad that we were finally able to drive up here after such a long time.
Although we did have a smoke signal of our house.
Yeah, the smoke's just about to get here from the house.
Yep.
All right, well, what do you got? Anything else?
I'm really hungry, so we're gonna go get us some chicken wings. All right. Well, I'll see y'all later.